Camere baro bella camere teo bella camere baro bella camere teo bella camere baro bella camere baro bella camere teo tana kire kure tiriyo kire kurini tana kire kure nima ni teo kalena camere baro bella camere teo bella
Yes, I will be low Anyira low. I'm going to win my pair. Mark one, my cat. One hit from one window. Yeah, you are one day. What are you don't do? Yeah, you are one day. What are you going to do? You need a one day. What are you don't do? Yeah, one day. What are you going to do? You need a woman to live in a one day. What are you don't do? Yeah, a woman to live in a one day. What are you going to do? Yeah, you are one day. What are you don't do? Yeah, you are one day. What are you going to do? You are Mark one day. One day. What are you don't do? Yeah, you are Mark one day. One day. What are you going to do? Put it back into your moon and open your knee when I put it back into your moon and open your knee when I one more talk and do your midnight future when I one more talk and do your midnight future when I one what gender do you might be when I one what gender do you might be when I one what day do you moon and Johnny when I what day do you mean that Johnny when I one? Tell you my bed you do you make daddy loony when I one. Tell you my bed you do you make daddy loony when I one. Lutino, you're map on my tech, Jan Goro Lutino, you're map on my tech, Jan Goro Jan Daddy down on your pano, Jan Dabina Daba. Jan Daddy down on your pano, Jan Dabina Daba. Jan Daddy down on your pano, Jan Goro Yiniteva. Jan Daddy down on your pano, Jan Goro Yinatona. Yada, Jan Pajo, Pano Papa the Doctor. Yada, Jan Pajo, Pano Papa the Doctor. Look when you Johnny, look when you made a waraki. Look when you want it, made a waraki. When you Johnny, look when you made a waraki. Look when you Johnny, look when you made a waraki. Look when you want it, made a waraki. Look when you Johnny, look when you made a waraki, Johnny. Yeah, you are one day. What are you don't do? Yeah, you are one day. What are you going to do? You need to live in a one day. One day. What are you don't do? Yeah, you need to live in a one day. One day. What are you going to do? You need a woman to live in a one day. One day. What are you don't do? Yeah, a woman to live in a one day. One day. What are you going to do? Yeah, you are one day. What are you going to do? Yeah, you are one day. What are you going to do? President, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. President, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Minister, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Minister, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Doctors, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Doctors, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Professors, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Professors, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Ambassador, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Engineer, do you mean that Guinea? When I go one van. Do you Miro makwan matekane. Miro makwan Johnny. Yewe miro makwan matekane. Miro makwan Johnny. Miro makwan matekane. Miro makwan Johnny. Uwenu miro makwan matekane. Miro makwan Johnny. Anyira lu miro makwan matekane. Miro makwan Johnny. Uwenu miro makwan matekane.
Wajolo dano duju gachira chiel ma tika neno we chawni wajolo tar palope yu matin me take lock me teenage pregnancy itong kumalo me Uganda kirma ching cha to kere cha big mukaro amini cha dek mukaro lo bero ta cha dek mukaro ma watama ni po kita po tume wadu chen pien ngeo ga ko giti ko ara pe be twal matine wa bidugo pol kare wa kelo gas wenga chila chiel dok bere jume panelist ma pol kare giti kedwa tiene watie ke mego Rose ke Lady Grace ka ya Robina team and Christine ke la menwa Joyce ke gwelo ma megwa David Okiri kingara chelo bikelo ne bene e line ka en Moses Oboko wa bikelo ne line me mere ke yu me Nywako tam ngo mere ke team tiene tutwalo bineno bitial is solution tutwal ne ma yemeti wa Kenya tama megi Pyera kache ikaro comments bena wakman wa mere wono kere Pyera ngeo lo en ni pedong team affecting one luoga ken gini tie ka bero long diete dong tie itung kumal me Uganda ma wata mero olto mero wa jume duano winye kama leng lo tini en ni mero akonya juma dong ko bero yajo ke juma jal ke gwa put pa yajo ngomere ke team me konyo geno pene wen lo tini ngomegwa now peme Pyera mabo Jolo uno weng ma ti panotine.
Poi matek.
Poi uno European again pol uno weng ti kama ping do Euro ke chawane. Joma landan chawa Aryo ko bere. Ke un mati Uganda ko bere wai ni chawa Acel dong bana chera Aryo. Aryo yene to.
Adek.
All right. Now chawa do chera. Again joka no man no pilo video ping but penien nene olto ilo wi malo win lock anything. Pay king sharing ke like share YouTube channel me go subscribing now what kong what charo ke ya chere me recap me chaber mukaro o bikela men wa Joyce ke min wa recap mo ken ma ting cha wala ke wiye mara mo mana pida ke ha chela re yo ti wa neno ken mo ron me ke o foi mater Joyce
Kakarana po down on Wangtin do me dugo a topic mo wa chako last week ni Malubu lokum teenage pregnancy. Teen dong wabe dugo duga iye me meru wiye ngo ma mero go team enano waneno last week ni give ma pol ma da ma tika te mo ipajo ma mar lokum nyual politika ma furgi teno muke ana ma tiga kwan muke ana ma no gitie bene no pajo gwak me bi per mo go me chende ngo bat ko mir kiro wana tika ngene kwero li wenge Pero me corona weko down to gang for nearly 2 years kolo. Si dong o weko kelo bene pero ma pol mada lor me teenage pregnancy. Chi ene kiro wana niang kere kumbere wani ang ne. Tie ilubu me Uganda olo ento mo dok batwa yutu ipajo enough. Dong tie ginene percentage ti malo total. Chi wano ne umiar po wabiru wana bera penyu nena. Umiar wanyu ko iye tam. Gidong ma mero juma pajo kachel gi wan mero wati umene ne gin eno joke wek lutena da cher gang kwan ineno lutena nyera go cher kwan ineno chi wiye mo logo en last week eno dong tam puda mi en wiye chel instruction ka gwak lok mo ken don tie ko nda Mede kwere la chen bat gin mo wati logo ne tin ena ye ma do mero itim Now tama ngo together mo miro ke team meneno ni lutino kwan magitino gi lutino nyera me kin gang lok me yaju i ma dan futino ni meneno gine tika chamo wi wa weng alo chamo wi last week mer ma raja de dani meneno tien me wi ni na tien ma tiri me Mwaka Apar Acel me Mwaka Apar Adek o Yacu Chi gin ma ana rama wa ne kong dong wiye ana ne muno miro kong gina chiel ma miro ge tim he check educating lutino the check educating lutino sex education miro bed is school locally weng uchaka beno wa gi primary mano age mano ge tamane lutino dong rama ngo latin me Mwaka para chiel gang ku ya no puti primary school pedonge ye gigin mukere ma ana neno ni romo time mabe ma romo konyo lutino era ye promotion of girls boarding school ineno ana tamani kagi no ni lutino nyer gi chwal gi boarding school chi olo bitemo duogo yaj pa nyer matino piny gidong gin ma put wan watie ye pera madit lok me pandemic and me corona dana puti gang school but why Uganda put pege yabo kat bedi lo mu ken mage yabo gi magiti under caution eno borwa put pege yabo gidong lega na madit yer borwan lu nyodo umier wa puny no teno wuno umier wa bed ki lu teno wa chok te wa luo lo ki lu teno wa Latin ka ini puonye in machalo mia latin in machalo won latin ki puonye bene ina puonye weko in bene da tini no ki tij mo unywe ti mabe weko tin ini nywalo tene tie gwa ge chwala ge gang kwan aya nywal en malo ti on tika nywale pe nywal me gang kwan e ken ko latin ma Mwaka para chiel ko nywalo ko gin ma time ikom latin ret mo madit mo karkakaro latin next time po be nywal piano or nywalo tiero ay Pyera bene no per ramo tino latin dangers ma pol ma dama latin ne kar ke ye ramo bero ni otaro ramo bero ni omier ke kwany or nywale ramo bero disabled for the rest of our life no gin ma Pyera tek ma one ju ma watie chalo parents men wanenu biluti mukera ni duju wen umier wanenu ni log me teen age pregnancy bi cha reducing pain pian wana ne ano pe kwan wane ano pe be me kom latin erone ka che wan luti ano ma ti ka nywalo ko kire erone Tingo ma wan watamo ni waromo gwo kilo tiano eroni ka di ma go dog disable doctor ma pol ma da magiti gi romo terne boton latin po no at the age of under the age of 16 go no put ramo halo kom latino kilega na ben mu kana cher bot lutela utiki tuer wuno utiki tuer me kero chiek manyen malubu ni lutino umiero gi guiding ginini ka no la nyuri matika char latin utiki tuer me twe la nyuri oni piana da chan mer tie endo chan ka tie lug ni iri char latin yo bola lonyo mo ero no in pe man latini dok bene no in pe tie la nyuri ma tie responsible dana ma perramo gwako latin ma perramo gwako gang chiek omier mak in gidong Anyira ene gitiga yaga ngagi last week waloko ni Anyira ene jeju ne oberu tie ikom jo mano gitigi chente pi pera madan ko betiye Gino luti Anyira matino ni easy target bodgi me mio la tit tiana mama tiri onyo me mio kit gino moy ken mano igwa kar eno ni latin eno ni pe kere miana bene pe kwere wona bene pe kwere eno chan pe nego dano chan pe nego dano Acholi uberi chan pe kar malaj endo chan mago beri yene pe chan man ma ini buruke pien wana tiki ngomu wa puru cham chiek wa pier lutino wa mabe kari kar ma chon tia kar pa grandparents wa ma pega mono no pe kwano ni pe beno no ini no kit lok mani latin ya ko yache Mwaka ma para tiel ni pa ma para de no pere chi walego wunu lutelo uchung wunu matek ruodi Wuna ye wigi chiek me Acholi. Chiek me Acholi weng ake ke kalkwaro. Ka chiero wako bot wan. Peo ne ni tij eni tij pa lo nyoro ke ken. Peo ne ni tij eni tij pa lu tij pa gamente ke ken. Unyo tij pa lo puonye ke ken. Tij eni pi wano duju weng pi lo tiyan ma wan wati kwet gini. Ruodi duol mo nywe ruom mo ke ken ma gen giti iye. Ket duol li piny. Eni dong odog pandemic me nyual. Pe dong me corona ko. Odog pandemic me nyual. Kiru nene winya cha wajane kene. Gino romo lowo Uganda li weng, especially kar en matuo corona beru tieni. Chi wan mo chala chuli naka jui wa beru piny ke neno lok mone tie wa neno yo me chobo peko. Eni ay don kar me beru piny kombede. Umiero gi nen yo me beru piny. Lutela en maluong nyingi ni onu wachaka gi kom la nyodo. O kere kom lutela magitiyo i dog shiek pagamente. O kere kom lutela magi chalo police magina ye gineno lok me juma to oro chiek ipajo nyo itegamente. O kere bod wun ruodi ineno gidong lutiano eno mier wabet ka lok kwet ge kero na neno winyo hos la dir ma megwa waja dime wachi lutiano ma put po yaje kono ngoma dong wana ramati mane pigen. Lutiano en magitiano nen kombiri gi chak lok kwet gi kombiri cha eni. Te dog ge kone dire. Man eni chiero to twale bot women MPs me district Acel li weng. Wun ma chalo mege, this is your job. Dog ben ana lego ni at one point ko watiko second part me lok eno miero lok eni gite ki bir ka charo ne I mega gi kone nga gi wek loko lutiano kil parents dano duju obet ka winyo ne. Lutiano wobe gi wun cho ma Gware wunu tie bene kin dio matiga yaya nyera enene. Wan wat kombiri wati I kar madong penyo dong. Gin magi luoni kondom mitie. Neno. Ka nyaka mo madong tie age ma ti Mwaka Apar bor mati la ten kwan. Iri no endong dan ma pian en dan madong ti Mwaka Apar bor ge kwan under adult. Iri taking precaution ya nyane po yaje bal kwan neo. Ka che mir la ten yak ne ada ge chuny me ada. Ye eno kwan en in bena batira ne tugi bedo kwere jeba ni kenyo ka iri miero tit kwere ineno wek lutiano kwan kwan era ye kubiri jabo yo iwa yo ma papat daktari ma pol ma da magiti mon gitie nurses o pole 90% mon cheka wundo chero bala nyimpa lutiano ka dong digi maya tiyo binu anga ay do betwe wi ariaro bi do kelo dan ki lomo kan me binu ka tuwe wu o twer chulo gi o wek don lobo betie iwa gulu ko bo do city madir don lobo ma binu ni ni kono kap wan dong watiga daka ngej wan mer wa nyuti wan pe wa me yeze kar mo kar ngej po wa kwan ba kwan ko o borwa pingoda ko bolo Wun lutiana Anyira ma otiga winyo wa o winye ni mabe mada woro Pyera tek mo kar wo kumi wo nying family ni wo be a good citizen be dar me ma bi ber la tela ka ini ne la wor do mo ta yin digi ma pe mier do ne ini dam ne po kwana ko no chende met gene eno ni me wilo mo ta eno ni PM gi chunyi chalo in na tin ya ne an bene abe beru digi ma abe kwano kwan we in bene digi ma ibe MP ibe doctor ibe nurse ko ne be social worker ko ne be counselor ko ne be child support ngarmo PM chunyi ilobo mo warati ye ko be enni an ma nyar ma dit ono masters in clinical health Makobi tiyuge jo me COVID area. Akir I graduation me masters ano lutino Anyira ikom lutino Anyira Pyera Aryo awuba bitie kan. Pingo awuba pigitika kwan bene. Umiero dano we makwan. Lokol ni chera kamaro jae no lo re maraju we wunu pore pega machalo kombiri wana tie yene. dong initie me marta marache wi do ti mabe me ne gin ma initi ti mane ti correct no dong penen mabe eno indong wi no peti mabe inero ne gin eni pe bal mo wan pe wati ga blaming lutino Anyira ma pol ento wun kono ma wunu ti ga ya Anyira enene ngoma wunu be ti ma me ne ni o correcting mistake en ma wunu be ka ti manene jo ma ti ki chente po bal kar lutino Anyira Matino. Nong la wori ma rom kwiri nyom en ke mier nyom da ma pol wek la tin ya no tie kwano li weng kai nyom keli gange gwak mabe en to pe cher ka lanyo la tin mo ma kono be nywala la tin onyo be no bito ka nywal pier per ramo chola la tin on nywala miero tiera ho gi cher ge kwan on nywal pe do bi nywal are ma ini weko ke dano eno ni itamo ni ye itamo ni onyo ni latin in latin mamegi kage timi komi chunyi beru yom chi waligo walega wono wanino yo me konyo lutino ene wan mo watiga lok ene po waramo wa pegi solution enter together lok ma meg wa chalo message wa kombirgin mo ma an chalo juiza ramo timane wage kanyo kuno pe enter lok dogani ka ngara mo winyo ki gang kuno Ramo konyo ngara chiel nyolo tina Aryo nyolo tina Adek mo. Chi wachwelu messages wakane gin en matika tima ni omiero joka e lutino o waro uno lo nyoro peo ol ki lutino o mak lutino u belu remu kari lok baraje ngo lok ki latini wati kanye bala latin pede nuo eno ka de riam latini guri e adon kum latin chi no peo ye kune guri ngara mo donge ken burken mo be don penge wa nga ma eno yachwere ineno chi balgin padano kala tieno balo buri ker penyi lo kwere inen kir yo me yugo neo chi pip man kumbiri ka weko kuman weka bod yumu kena be dongu Mede kwera fo to
be matek la men wa Joyce kit ma pol kare duan ma wajo karo wa duan ma lo ma konyo loak duju ka mo ken kama kitie now kit ma nem network tiga yellow gas ma megwa neno oboko Moses o ko ben ma chalo welo megwa but wachaki welo me Acel mo ko danyo ka en David Okiri anti CEO Mesido Uganda anti teach machalo meneno be ber palotino ikin gai tuale kar man men anti ne lutini ma giti paramet ni pregnancy olto gi ber choket gi wa winyo tam ki bot en ngo ma gen tiga timo ne chalo dul Mesido me ko lutini I Agago district mateke paraman men wa David Okiri wa jole matek
amoro ndujo ban apoy matek meda tino kian me Aryo an me bedo I program man me television makelwani tara aluo adong atamo kero na ne kichap kere program mero don katwere pa wada gen jana loko atamo recap makemio igen mo karchi Adek mo karoti mabe mete dong ne wachiro kaneno yu ango mamiero kilwen kere kom perman yana da permatit mada donc pek wak jo mo kan mapege ngeo en ye anatie executive director medul matika tija kago kanye karene do na kelwen community initiatives for development organization nyo sido yo machekche donc wan watiema wakeme mete mo konyo lutino Anyira makigo marach kwan gi bibale machara dogi me yajo maman palote me chake Mwaka Alib Aryo papa ba pumwe Alib Mwaka Alib Aryo Pyera Aryo ogire Mwaka eneni maman ne wenka po mabe par manodong chukul ki lor wo machara dogi me to gemo to COVID-19 donc atam ka cheri lok me tie ni ngom mier donc tim yan per ma diet ba donc ka per ka diet wo balu chawa menen no ngom mier ke tim da be me do wi lok mo kan ma la be mo ko lok ke o wajo na kanen donc mo ko wan ma charo du Mesido ani ja wajo be ne watimu kwe nyo research ma research ko nya mada o mi wono ama po yen in ma wati on pedano tamme pe mero kati bodo ke ken tamber miro kati ki bot jo ma kadi gen jo ma pero ne ma hogi nyolo nyori balu tera nyar eneni wengi tiki tam ela matiro ma par weng gen ben ko mi watam ti don arabe mi yo lok man lobe ki ngom ma watam ne wan ma jol du me sidi watam me tim ko manni ino yo mo me keto dul ma janti malaj ma mono loni multi stakeholder network multi-stakeholder network eneni umiro bediye dul bagamente machalo local government machalo local government machalo dul me ponye dul me probation police miro bediye lotela mete kwar miro bediye lotela dini miro bediye lotela maka yar new political leaders go bediye look chak win new business people miro bediye yan get yon bene kaupo ne sama wo berka lok ma lu be ki ngo ma teke lo permi ye par bien nyar pan ono gen lu chat biya shar ken giti ki chente gin giti ki chente man me wil lo tera nyar pan be ger mu yaji ki bene e dul network en bene lu poñe mer ko be ye ci ka ka network en ni mi yo kit me tem ku be me chobo per en ni ber me yor lok ma Aryo ye ma watan me ke tim en ye ponye life skills training in school merbetie bele ke ponye ne ka berutie miyo ker bor tira nyara kwan me cha ko ngel ke mer ngi ko ko de yen ngi ko ba dan ko ne dan wo ke per ma pol mada donc ke ponye gi mi ngi ngeo metemo luenyi kom tema ma chalo mir me buru mano yin puritiri yen ke ponye chi ngeo ni buru ba be mer cha ma puritiri ponye bereka ke meyogi wax gen di ngeo lok ma doxe ko ket met ku beki lok ño communication skills yen ka ini ngeo ke mel lok ngat mo lok gen moni in be ngeo ke to mere dox kere me ko yar na yo mano pore mano pere ka jeto ngat en na jara ki ponye ki bene be ko nge ke me moko tam decision making skills ki bene meta ne gen ki ponye be ko nge ke me na bene mete ni atwere ki gunge ni imene makala ren kanga magi di juwen poñ mo tamer ki mi ko tiana nyan magi pour ki tika kwa jem mu kenne ma mete tim mete ma joko pero ma mi yeji patiro kwani en yetie lok ma dake kom nongo jo magyen woti ko kwandi ko be tiana ma woro amon luwane role models per tak mata jema gibi ber mtala nyot machalo la pore warom tiki jo magen ko kwana school money machalo OBs nyo OGs me school money magen ko tiyo kwangi gitika kaka mo nyo gen ko tiyo kwangi gi ber mabe olo kir ko gi mabe ma jo en ni work di kingang metemo miu poñ bot ko tira nyara ma put ko ber gi mede ki kwan machalo meto ngeni du me Acel ga mede me Uganda wa ni meno school no be yapane donc ka yabe school ti jo mede matek mata bien jo madam kingo Yacu ni magiti ko tiano berni medo mer ke nong yo me ko ka eto man ma pudi ni kono magene gi duongi mer wonen ni ti ko jaxe ko bedi gin mo kene ma mer ke tim metem ben joko ko man en ye piun ma ko nyo pongeo tieni men karma karangay ga mede me Uganda onyo no kero police post i sub county Acel matie kapere botokan ya Acholi ata pipa mo ngeni pole oper machara dugi me chante borgamente omio police post ma pol mati sub county pa ki dor yo tiga mi tamni omiro sub county police post sub county ma ki dor gen yap yo wen ka police tie mi yo ket pa ma ken marka tie lok mo meti motor pero parutien ko ki tieno e chwalo lo ke yor police ben mer ke mi ni gin mediji bicar kamia ti per kamakon yen lo bal maket man bien kache ni duor mon bene beya kam mon tikir dano we ko duor ben ber tie ni ko ni ket no time nyo ngat mo bir ka nyo ma nyaga na ma ko tiri ci ngeri ci fa lo ke police bir kamakon ko bal maket en ber mak en mer ke mak dan ko di no yen jom no nyigi ti e bal en ni agin mo ken mo ber mo tikam ye tam ni mer ke tim en ye ni district local government bureaucratic tiek matek me podo nyo metti ci kom lo yaaj o tiana ñar matiano kar lu nyoro gi penti lu nyoro mo ken wani ang ni man gen ben ti ka Nywako ko lutino gi kache ko Nywako lutino jan Matino yen gi tiyo gi chan maro gi tiene gi chul were lo beno ke fabo ci ka chekti matere o mi chekti kom yen pian magen jo do ya tira nyera lu nyoro gi jo mo kenen juma ti ma jala campuses idong uno ngeyo ni meno nyen jakare ci Adek mo karo waro lo de gina chien matika kello pero ene mi ye ba do tira nyera Matino ni en ye chan ada tidak maloyo ka juma ti Uganda donc pe perme chan mi ada hanya ka mer gimana ramana ne in perami bo ngatemo ka mi ni gi mo ma chal chate kon no metti meri ni bur e bur kwiri ma ene wenkelu yejo ci me tane yo me wa development partner gen ko kati la ket programme ya Pyera ma birma ni Acholi when ko ci na do be di juwe obi chobe ku yor lok mo ke ro tam ne mero wan wakati ke wa ma chalo tam ma tem mo chobo pe man ma yeju ba tiena nyar Matino ene yeti ko man ni mo bagam me ba mo ne tie malo ko mer Matino ma chalo wan ngene chek me Uganda ba ka ma leng ni no ka na dia pa no la ye ato ko wan biju ni anyar mo ka ketika nyom gi mati ma ka para bichet ma ka para bi ato gen magen gi timo gen gi winye o yi or ti ba ma la tien ni ma ka ne tie do para ko ba gen mo jo andi ka timo ne ketika do chek ato dana di ma ngewe ni chek ma ken man tie chek timo data chek bene ka na ka ne wa jo lokom kin me bok ko one channel you will want to make loan parenting kin go from and to check my Uganda ben see material com positive parenting now the when ti attack and dama po what happening machar you check compare you when ma do katekwere ma lo beki you man ma kitro chu bene kwere ni any umege ne check ke mo mali atwer be lok di le ba chuli were dan ma podin bon yang e wot mo kere kere kin gang lok per radio were ngechi rom kin dan ro be kin ngechi awareness creation na tamar gina chema perata kidong lu ponye ne meno lu ponye ti kin jo ma gen ka yaj kilo tiano anyara kwan donc an pange pingo ministry of education ministry malo ponye yo pero ka mo ne ya kila tien kwan omiero iria mo ke ti me pon ke ma ke tuye mabuji bien ka chek poke ke ka ti chek matere wer la ke ti me kudu Mede anyim pikar malaj kidong i schools wen mati Uganda ka ni take primary ke malo wotieki la pon mo chen ke lu senior woman teacher ento war ma wan war ma jalo sido wono ni poje eni senior woman teachers egini wala ngeen tiemer ngi ngi nono mo kena be pekti ngi ngom ngi tieme konyo tira nyara ito mo tamani meno o mirge empowering senior women teachers school wen ma pat di bonji be gen ko be ngi mo rom ti me konyo tira nyara tira ne ki mati ga kwan igin mo kena mo tam be team ene ye man me medo yo mo wajo ni sex education aro me wa medni ki yap yo ben malaj ki mi reproductive health education bien reproductive health large ma la ten ka komero ka loke ka bi omiero di lok pe be ko nge ni ala ala ma ti ko meni te loke ni ngo bi kelle tam lok ki en ko nge kit me controlling kit me ko ne ma ti kala kene mo magi wengi ma tamane mere Pyera tek ma wor ka Acel ki from sex education ci tamane pichawane kom haragit mi tama man lobe ki ngò mà mi ra tim mete mo joko per mi je par tiano pan ya nyera ma kama no ma ke put tiano ki gok nyo ma ki kama wiya wil school de ko yabo e bi ma chi ma ta man bi ko ma da bi ni ka do yabo school ange no pol per ma no yo tikere bi ma Aryo ma do yo tiano te bot kini do bi a do school eno mi wan a che di jo ma kan ma gen di tamana mer mi ro per ni ki jobi mi ro ko arwo school ikin community kan apa chat ne
network pa men wa tiga yenga mana no ger vedo tiga mi tama mega wa madlobe ki ngomer ke tin pelo tini ma put tie ma put kaya go ya onyo kima juma dongo ya ni ngomer ke tin pe pen pe ke rao bwara ke dong ni pen dong mano o ya onyo ningo ene wang fu lutino da lutino pe gwa lutino ke nana mo on juma kan mo tikelo we ko be da ko don kwaro manen olto lutini ma kon ke binyo ala ke ni nen jo ma gwa ke ben mo be ene be tamo age bot o men wa David Okidi and director Mesido Uganda. One poem mater menwa. Now, pilog matine log mapikitego. Pero tie dan korwen da kom chan ke tu corona ma obiano ubero gen kwan mater kerene. But it let me actually one chan pe America dong che ko be wa teki pero me tu corona chan benetie nga ka do America ye ju nga dong ko be wa dur pe ko pe ma be share way ne Mwaka working we realize we're recovering better ma polata but po big yo kenyo work dong watimo kete wakelo welo ma meg wa mokene ma Aryo ni line chi work o winter ma meg chi work dong one mokene wa bikelo ta meg wa ko nge dong work no po obal chawa ritual wa bikelo director me honorable person support center Uganda Moses Obuko yamuka en wero bien wacho wango matie gi tumboren kien mano lope kien me miyo konyo go giro ngo matiga time enne wanen ka Moses Obuko romo connecting line ka enne chiwa kelo ena tie wero bien mi tama mege bene kien NTA ka ti direct lutini mapol. Now, vulnerable support center kono. Game get team jam Paul get now love my boxing, the point of time love my boxing, playing volleyball, playing netball, soccer. To my pari. Now, let's bring Moses online with the vulnerable support center. Moses, thank you for coming again today, my friend.
Welcome. I struggled with the network, but yeah, thank God I'm able to connect.
Yeah. So today we are looking into the solution. How can we best help the children who are pregnant, and also those who are not yet pregnant? What can we do for them? What kind of advice, or since you work with the children, what are the solutions do you think is best to help these young children or young girls being the victims? Yeah.
And the rest of the panelists, thank you very much for hosting me once again. As most of the people already know, I'm Moses Ubuku, a director and founder of Vulnerable Person Support Center Uganda, a community-based non-profit organization registered in Google. We use the approach of sports to create awareness campaign programs on domestic violences, violence against children, and also advocate against the violation of rights of all vulnerable persons. Today, I would like to pass a message. First of all, I would like to pass a message of pain and grief for our people who perished in Kampala bombing. I would request that we have a moment of silence in respect of our fallen brothers and sisters who have been very innocent and succumbed to this bombing. Let's take a moment of silence.
Their soul rest in peace.
May their soul rest in peace. Well, greetings once again to the listeners and viewers and panelists. I do not know who is today in the studios because internet has been disturbing me a lot. But yes, as usual, I know Grace is in the studio, Robina, and you, Jimmy. Greetings from Uganda. Gulu is a little cool this evening. Now, going straight to the point, I'm told we only have 10 minutes for this presentation. The first things, these are just recaps of what we already discussed. The reasons for teenage pregnancies in our region, basically maybe in Uganda at large. One of the key reasons is poverty. Second reason being poor mentorship by parents and guidance. Increase of level of low self-esteem in girls, girl child due to cultural beliefs and norms, family ties and religious beliefs, mindset and peer influences, parental negligence, child labor, flooding information on sexual activities on the different media platforms, failed regulation, implementation by the bar owners, nightclubs, and other adult centers, such as gathering places, betting centers, or gambling centers, and night pubs, or other drinking joints, as known. These are the major causes. They are actually up to about 9 major causes of teenage pregnancies. I will share a copy of this. It is a brief one. Now, the solutions, I will be very brief today. The solutions or how we can deal with teenagers that are currently pregnant now. Now, the short-term solutions, number one, since these are already expectant mothers, however young they are, I suggest, as Vulnerable Person Support Center Uganda,
Carry on.
Hello?
Carry on. The network was kind of cutting off. Go on.
Are we on?
Yeah.
Yes, I was on the short-term solutions. Short-term solution number one, since these are expectant mothers as young as they are, as Vulnerable Person Support Center Uganda, we recommend this way, that distribution of maternal items to help them in preparation of their due delivery or birth time, i.e., basins, baby towels, clothing, mosquito nets, and baby mattresses be effective as soon as we can to prepare them as they welcome their new babies. These are quick and direct solutions that go to the girls. Counseling and guidance should be available to both parents and the girls to prepare their minds and keep them safe before delivery and avoid issues of attempted murder through abortions. 3, identifying the areas of interest, such as after delivery, they are supported and given direct trainings or available resources to keep them running. Number 4, engaging their parents to create a suitable environment for their safe deliveries. This requires radio talk shows, TV shows, and community dialogue. This also calls for one-on-one engagement with the parents who have children who are victims of teenage pregnancies. However, the medium and long-term programs for these people. Number 1, preparing trainings to engage the young mothers into parental responsibilities. 2, sponsor and register the young mothers and fathers in the different suitable life skill trainings like bakery or baking, bricklaying and concrete practice, carpentry and joinery, tailoring and garment cutting, salon and hairdressing, craft works and welding and moldings. Small-scale business skills and administration, agriculture, savings and investments, or VSLA. That is the Village Savings Loans Association scheme. Now, how do we prevent prevention of the teenage pregnancies or reductions? Recommendations goes as follows. Community sensitization to combat the largely developed characters of involvement in sexual activities with minors. This goes directed to the men who are perpetrators of impregnating these young girls by luring them into sexual intercourse, taking advantage of their current situations, either being financially low or their ages and interest in the things they cannot afford. 2, engagement of local authorities and police in the implementation of relevant laws available to combat such crimes as defilements. 3, establishment of referrals and advocacy centers and shelters for the protection of victims and rehabilitation. This will help in mentorship, counseling of the victims, and also preparing them to rejoin the communities. 4, as an organization, we must take key roles in following these cases reported at the police and provide lawyers to help the victims get proper judgments in the courts of law. This requires absolute funding and recruitment of lawyers to enforce and follow the cases, since most of the victims cannot afford. 5, involving the education government partners to introduce and implement sexual education in all schools to adolescent ages, starting from primary 4, 5, 6, and 7, since these are girls aged between 10 to 17. This will enable them prepare their minds and be able to protect themselves with proper decision making. And lastly, appealing to the local companies to sponsor adverts on the dangers and penalties of teenage pregnancies or defiling young girls. This will help every message be visible and also have them pin them on their labels, or find a position while labeling their goods to pass these messages. It is the best way to communicate, hence no one will complain of not being aware or get an excuse for himself while arrested by the police. Yes, Jim.
Yes.
These are things, as Mr. Moses, I have worked with children right from 2013. And these are the key points that I came up with out of the experiences I have had with these children. However, I will share this information with you people, such that I will share the soft copy with your team, such that you know what we are supposed to be doing for our children.
Now, Moses.
Now this should, yes.
Go, carry on.
This document needs a budget developed for it to become a proper proposal to handle and combat this. However, it is simplified, it is clear, and it states exactly what should be done.
Now, Moses, these are very straightforward points and very educative points you have given us today, based on your experience working with children in Northern Uganda. I believe if there's any question from the panels, we will be able to send it to you right away. But thank you so much for your input in this discussion for today. And we really value your time with us. Now, back to the panelists here. Is there anything we want Moses, because Moses is on the line, he may not stay there forever. Is there anything we want Moses to say before he goes off from the panelists? Right, Moses, it looks like your information is really clear. So is there any last words you want to say to the parents, to the panelists, to the children, just in 2 sentences?
Well, I have very few things to say. One, I'm appealing to all parents to love their children, irrespective of what a child does. A child remains yours. Even as parents, when we were growing up, we made mistakes. And some of the mistakes led us to who we are today. Some of the mistakes destroyed us completely. But I know most of the mistakes we made as parents, it built us and made us make proper decisions today. So to your children, give them a listening ear, follow every movement that they make, help them to choose the right friends. This is one safe. However, be very sensitive about the dress code of your children. Ensure when a child is leaving home, they are decently dressed, because such dressing can affect rapists, can affect people with ill intentions, and avoid introducing people that you don't trust to your girl children. This is very, very important, because I want to give you an example. I will not mention a name, but I want to give you one of the biggest politicians in Northern Uganda paid a girl in school. He had been visiting with the mother, and he was the husband to the mother. Later, he married the same girl. And one thing we know is that the girl traveled to the US, and the marriage broke off. So be aware of who you introduce your girl child to. Mostly our mothers, our single mothers. I know you need somebody to stay with, but please, please, please.
Now, Moses, there's one question here from one of our panelists. His connection is cutting off, but once they get back on, we'll be able to give that question to him. Moses.
Hello?
Hello, Moses. There's only one question. We have one last question for you here, Moses.
I was telling mothers to be sure that the men they introduce to their children are father materials, not just men. They must be father materials. I know our single sisters really want somebody to be with. I advise, if you're not sure about the parenting character of such a man, you keep him away from the children for as long as you can. It does not stop your relationship going on, but please don't bring them close to the children, because they will become absolute destruction.
No, thank you so much, Moses. There's only one question, one last question here for you, if you can answer it within a minute. So the question is, how can we ensure that our discussion reaches the grassroots people at home, especially those who cannot get our discussion?
How can we be sure that, okay, now this is it. Even right now as I talk, I'm at the station, at Speak FM radio station. We need to identify radio stations that go to the grassroots, that have good signals. And we sponsor programs of creating awareness.
I believe that's actually a very short and brief answers to that. And we heard a lot from Mr. Moses Oboko, the founder and the CEO of Vulnerable Person Support Center Uganda.
Jimmy, are you there?
I'm still here, but you were not here.
Yes, Jimmy. What I was recommending
Eh.
is that for us to the grassroots, as an organization, we need to move. And then the other way is we need to identify radio stations with good signals, covering a large area. And then we pay for programs that will allow us to always be on, maybe twice in a week, to discuss issues of teenage pregnancies and to share. And then we also need school outreaches as an organization. We need to have volunteers reaching out to schools, talking to the girl children, and also training the senior women teachers in the schools and patrons to discuss these issues.
That's perfect. That's really good information, Moses. And for today, I think that's the time we have for you for today, Mr. Oboko Moses. You are so delighted with all the information you have given us. Thank you so much. And we always keep in touch with you to make sure that we hear from you what you are doing direct to the children in Gulu and in other part of Northern Uganda. So thank you so much, Mr. Moses.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Mr. We'll be in touch. We'll be in touch.
Yes,
Thank you.
Jimmy, before you go, we have, as Vulnerable Person Support Center in Uganda, I said we have sports programs. Currently, we have a sports program that runs every day during holidays at 4 p.m. and Saturday in the morning from 8 to midday at Public Primary School. And our academy is called Kazo Farm Sports Academy, where we offer mentorship and training of different sports to the children. Yes.
And that will always keep in mind, and we will look the way forward how we can come in to spread the word to reach as many people as possible, to make sure that your national name is out there to the people. And I'm pretty sure these children needs one thing or the other to make sure that they get all the knowledge you are impacting on them. They
need training equipment.
Yeah.
For those who can help to us training equipments, the sports organizations in and out of Africa, anywhere where you are watching this program from, these children need training boots, they need bibs, they need balls, we need goal post nets, anything that you know is used within the field, and also those who support boxing and taekwondo. We also advise that you donate whatever you have.
Thank you so
Our
much.
children are aged between 6 and 17.
We will always try to spread this word to reach as many people as possible, and we'll keep in touch, Moses. You have our platform in hand, so use that to make sure that you utilize the system we have, which can help spread the word on your behalf. Thank you so much, Mr. Moses. We are running out of time for today, and we are here to support our home. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, that was a very informative information from Mr. Moses. Well, I do get leva to the kind of lemon or barata leva. I do get my anyway, what my better patient won't you my better win your love Obuko Moses, Vulnerable Person Support Center Uganda. Arachel Mambere will my dear Matiket Wakan Director Messido, Uganda, David Okidi. And for ticket Wakan. Now, again, log get a better doing. Ciao, we don't take a chair. where I do actual board one more time. Well, when you time keyboard organization Aryo.
Kon ko mi anda kera tiel mo Willie. Kon ke mi around 2 minutes
Okay, you got 2 minutes.
Willie. Remember
Jimmy.
Atamu kera tiel mamera waje. Oh Jimmy, sorry. Jimmy ki members mati forum ko bidini. One machalo sido. One mo research ko no ni Anyira madong mo Wiye ni mero me ko di training. Iko nyono charan catering ki addressing di Anyira 89 of them. Don't one openyo because me charan dul makeloni tool with a mission. Ibodo Wiye me wa charan. Arwati challenge Acel just only 300 pounds so that they can ship for us these sewing machines from you. Okay, because good machines. So ko ene tie ka pending yin mo kana wa mer wa team and ye kadon go jot ko ponyo po charan o mer wanong materials may yubo reusable parts, sanitary parts. Ma kicharo in schools PNN is one of the biggest problems Anyira they cannot afford maybe reusable pipes. Don't get your body economy. You can one way you go with your subsidized price. No conyo Anyira school but you're not going so in the short term is a kind of a system what I'm on at where at now that Dr. Bori.
Well, thank you so much, Moses. I mean David Okiri.
David.
Any tama be makar kere tar paluka eno wanen ulto wa chwala dwan o wa ngat matiki twin menen e ulto e konyo pa je konya niar megwa lutino megwa chan pian energy generation o megwa di megena obileo chiaro life kore ni ponyo dano no one nong chamu ken no wa dwa choko pa but ulto wanen wa konyo ge yo ma wa twar in meti wa kenyo iramo ko vegetar paluo wano ibien ikon sido kingo magati penyo kerene ki jume vonabos percent magati mero dilo wana gana mer madwo bien tar paluo no iram mine contacting one directly penyo ngo matie wa bana wana yo me ko beke pian wa gwo record wa juma bieno isho baro kai ne wenga chel wa kupe kege ikar dujo nama chima megwa tipping and ramko in a care WhatsApp team. It will message well no in young or Mokana team on it are Paluka and a law coin pajo. Don't take it to Dan Kero Anna, we don't take it to get natty margmo and people Biro and Bear 12. Welcome with you and knock on give way money and the Kaya would do, which you were never get my Mede no Mokana Matie. In my ticket pay copy or do with your medical program in the mad audio I can pay now again with you.
South Africa Records, Jinko. Wafoyo boy wango balwo, wafoyo boy wango bakara, wafoyo boy wango balwo, wafoyo boy wango bakara, wajolo wi wango balwo, wajolo wi wango bakara, wajolo wi wango balwo, wajolo wi wango bakara, wafoyo boy wango balwo, wajolo wi wango bakara. Wajolo wi wango balwo, wajolo wi wango bakara. Kabo kododo, mapadi padi. Kabolo coach, kabolo charolo. Kabo kododo, mapadi padi. Kawinyo luot, kabo kododo. Kabolo coach, kabolo charolo. Kaluodo luot, kabolo charolo. Kabolo coach, kabolo charolo. Kaluodo luot, kabo kododo. Kanyamuluk makilu don lobo. Nywako look makonya nyimwa. Nywako look makonya nyimwa. Kanyamuluk makilu don lobo. Karibota makilu bebedo. Kalaro look makelo kuchicken wa. Karibo tam makelo bebedo. Kalaro look makelo kuchicken wa. Kanyutu yoki Anyira wa. Kamio tambo buruwa. Kanyutu yoki Anyira wa. Kamio tambo buruwa. Kano mo point ken me bokote kwarowa. Kaleo tam ken me bokote kwarowa. Kano mo point ken me bokote kwarowa. Kaleo tam ken me bokote kwarowa. Kano mo ngech ken me bokopa chiwa. Kano mo ngech ken me nyayo lonye chiwa. Kano mo ngech ken me bokopa chiwa. Kano mo ngech ken me nyayo lonye chiwa. Miru nge wele matie kenwa. Wele wen miru wangegi. Wa miru nge wele matie kenwa. Wele wen wajolo wa miru nge wele matie kenwa. Wele wen miru kenyutki. Wa miru nge wele matie kenwa. Wele wen wajolo wa miru nge wele matie kenwa. Kika kama kino aye. Wa miru nge wele matie kenwa. Kika kama kino aye. Wa miru nge wele matie kenwa. Wele wen wajolo wa miru neno wele matie kenwa. Wele wen maro danda. Wafoyo boy wango baluo. Wafoyo boy wango bakara. Wafoyo boy wango baluo. Wafoyo boy wango bakara. Wajolo wi wango baluo.
Wajolo wi wango bakara. Eno ba wajolo wadu kan Wafoyo matek wadu kan bena kerwa put po yi kope. Wafoyo matek bero kerwa. Now lo ke mapol but put po winning ki bot pan lezo mego angere tin pinian Matino mego madiet ma en pol kar ma ko chingwa kan petia winning ma be but okelo olo to wine wa wanen pian be ka wanen wang mama madiet ke bet ko pe wa ma yor twal but wale gala chwe ke chen ko men wa bana ala ko betie che pian manien be mere gi go jile wi wa I bolo ba ko mere nyin now wa du ka ene la menwa Robina inde lino tin long wa when me bought in a dark on chat tin e mere kere king o mati wa chewa ketumbore
Anpinya yom panano dano dujumatie wang o patar paluo eneno matini la foilo chwej bana megwa wan duju ni o wanir man matin lok ma ke lok weng bero lok ma beje tutual man lupe ke lok me pero palutiano ma matiano ma ketiga no por pero yo me yeju chi lok dong kien ma lok ne penya nena chwalo penya wachi walok mere jo mati yamo bene gitiga winyane ento jo ma dong giti wagang mano chim bene pere TV bene pere dong lok ne enene o borgi ne now one jumo kana multi panels kan ni watiyo waka kira lebe chulo wacho do mambo pe go chul dong miaro kerwa be ikom joma geti pajo gen giromo kubo wanini wang lok eno o radio stations mati pajo kuno kirmano ilogo fony makoman la bole la wo logo berutie ke mande bena ana winyo polkara mega FM e barakan polkaro digo chon magen bena tiga logo chiel ene log me especially log me gene children's rights mako beri kelo ma log ne enone ti a bit premature pien mano food pege kelo log ne eno no mier konken puonye gang kwan ne tik be bieno mabe magal ni lutino miero ke gwokge un mo miero be pe kom lutino weng lutino ben gonge ne kiryo ango mano on enne ki wono ge gen ti kwere ka kwene ka mo miero go rege pingoni lo nyoro ko be rong bene gitie ye kerio Lu nyur ma wanu ti ko kom gene gen go wa lo te no ge o pe yeti ga go ko pacho go no lo ba ge lo me tich no gi bero pe gang nyu kar mu kan ma dongo jalo ke lo te no ge o dongo dok ti lo me mar ko ke be bero gang wa ga da gen ma wa lo te no ti mo gang no pe ge ngem ki ben nong lo te no bene pian lo nyur pe ti ga miro nyur ma kom ge wa ga je mo ko man tie chi dong lok tie maguru kom lo te no machalo dong chiek me children's rights ken ma dong tie ni in la ten ma ti wo ko no ma nge ni twer ne en ni twer ne tie ma chal na ten ma be na twer ma be en to mira in nge ne in kala nyoro nyongar mo ma dir ma ge ker ti ga mala nano kar ma no le nyor ne pere tigi twer ma mio puny bot in la ten wa ine lobi be bene be kar ma nyimme bena ci dong gen ma tie kumbel lu tiano dong pol kar en lok me rights ni twer na tie lu tiano tiga jenye o dong ki balu makala tien mo ke ken ma dong la nyuru loko gi mo ma chunye pe mero wacha riyo ke gang twer na achero gang la wora twer na yin la tien matiri itiga jenye war bena pe karwe bible wachi wolo nyuru ni weklu ba mini gum wakuni mi lobo kar me nyimo ben malaj chika in la ten nong pe war lo nyoro nyo pe war ju madong gum ene kila ma be mo mero biro mak inni ake kwen we ake kwen pingwan la nyoro no do keje kumi nyungan ma dir matiga gwa in do keje kumi ka don wachi la ten wor ki wiye kila ni cha winyo professor o choe moni kenyo ni chia da bene ichere no mabo karwa inna bene ci ene no na nyime dong ko be ber mabe dok bene kir ko man ma inong latin wache ha twerna ci ko nong twer ne ine inno gi werne ci dem mere ki twer ne ichere yach ko no dok furi dugo gi latin ene gang latin ma ine kelo gang kanye inde tiga dio lu nyuru ni me bere ko mabe yenno la kwa na fudira mer ine gi chaggo hana kuno na yam gi gore yin bene ko yar kwano ci lok mone ne atwer palotino ene umiro chiek kongu karika maleng me waja ne twer ene wango ne tie wangla tien karo ane riyo kono kwena wango ene tie no waja ne latin kakany ene bala manyore chiek me punyo ino miro betie ka bene kama ginene ade ko of latin mone bene tie nyogi tiga won latin wango ne ene bene nyoro ci lok ne enene local councillors mir gen go nene gi bertie ki dong lok mana nen men wa David lok kenyo police post mir ge dok chen bat sub countries matie wak no pega matitian matiti mekin gang gi reporting borge wak gen go ye kine latine mono rianda nyo gi tiga wono ne nyo latine kir dong me kirge wae bulo dong no bino o wiye ku jamanong en petwer pien ka inne wachi pede miera wunyo lo pangar man kolma police tige twer gik mi chiek ne enoni wangno tielo ngene ka in mere timane in no wiyo do tere kum na nyon ibeter bar police kede o bar police kuno ngene yende be temo ke kum ti kolo lo tielo bene wigi be do kum na nyon pien is all about safeguarding lotiano bar lotiano pegetiga niang level my safeguarding issues in your concerns magetiga ka kelo ne kan enen cho mier gi defining mabe wang lotiano gunge pe dong right ni in latien mier tim gi mai ken ma chunyi mier ka lo nyuro lo nyu kon nga ti timo nyetiga tor che ngar dong gunye enepe enene pur yo mabi kelo pere kar me nyim chan pieno pe kwano lotiano mano kwano no giti mabe yin na bala yo ne kekeni itiga kelo pere kum lo nyuro la nyuro be tiyo me gwo family pa na America to na in latien ma genwale be pere mo konyo wala nyuro ni chirong mier palotian ne ti kwana ko che gin ma ana neno ne che ko mier ke nen lutino mier ko ng'e ni chiek matin chiek ati ko man ma kwa lutino latin man ng'e ni en gwak mien pe nyugeti ga gwak en gwak ke nyugeti ga uno en po ber gi luor uchiet ban reporting police nyubar local council man matiene neno eno pe donge wek dogol no bero tuolo cha ngar bal mer ber yam ti kwara pe ben ng'e ni dan ti ga nyera mier olo at least kigi eno betie chi gin ma tamone aromo logo ne eno keken log ma beje ke logo ma pol to twal pe tini ka tam ne gyo ka na fo to twal
be matek la menwa now kadong che wadu ka enne wa kubu na kubaro pedak no wa balo chawa tega chera dere wa bol tal bot Lady Grace angeo mego eating and mego pe winyo mabe alto pe gao in lock pe ganamo wa chwa ge tumbor balo menwa yen lock and lock at it right it takes a village to raise a child so village el matie go be antar pa lo ene
Apoy dar weng ma good journey tar pa lutin lok kalitione lok matek tak lok ma obi teri wakare pian lok e mier wachiru step by step ke lok apol me wanyang komberi kama pero dong tika aye lok system magang and system ano ki introducing ki kelo mapeke nyang completely kama aye kita kitiu kere bere ke raje pa kitu ke kelo ne ene tam kama gene ki local parents benetie eno lok me gwako lutino mi wek lutino be anyuali mi lobo nyume achuli mabe dong nen talo be kitika neko na neka kitiek any children's right ene dong neko gang mamier ke nen loke mabe ene loke neko gang petila tien mo maberi gang money mier chieko bene tiro mier olu kita Mwaka ko o Apar bor gini ka yin furi beru gang mamani ki mam ko nyongate mo matika gwokine chiek tie ker ka ini dog dar ma dir me chiero ka ti duk ti choni weng ti ki chiek kiring wek ki marka yin nung pero wek ki marka kita ini mier inek ko gini inek ko da chiek Pyera te Petit gang mo ma mier da gang ma mier be ki chiek nyor ma mier ku be ki chiek lo tiro mier ku win chiek me gang ken kir school ti ki chiek Jimmy weng ti ki chiek gang ti ma yin je pe chiek pe o ka ti kita ini mier kere ne tira pien inde ti ki twer en petit ti lo tiro mier ngeni twer ti ka be weng ene gina mier ki we loke you be my right eni gen pegeniang there's a price for your right limit na tie kita na megune na wani wang jore tie ka in food pay chulu in pay you bu oti pay ta berki pay ta ko timu jimi kita in mi it jero be du ma in mi ene petit so eni gina lo tie mi nen kinu nyodo mier wange lu nyodo tiki pressure ke loke covid eni dati ento lu nyodo ber mi onet kit mi gwako lo tien mene tek en mier ki non kit mi gwako lo tien jo magitiki problem mier ki non kama parents ber kama gino ye support mier betie piana ngiri parents ni pole parents mateno parents but no and parents makin wale gi kam ini pun mo mati pe gang yan kita jam ga churi ni mano wai megutie dai tie kor ngati dong pere ko loke ena ka ko loke ben mier ki nonge ki non kit me kita dan mier go be kere ko manyen jimiti ka loke wa ye ento mier jimine ben loke kun ki por ana poi pero mero wa ne mero lo ka mor wa maraba
bien mama
awe an ka mor ku ka tuara ne ler awo cha mor ku pada peto akiba to falko ana poi lo ma dan lo ko ni wen ki ti matika winye ne be ana poi ki to twal dong lok ma arabi lok ne ye ana lok man ma kombe de arabi ni kikelo dong ni children right be do be ti actually meno gina an actually duan ie bodlu nyoro weng ma actually ni actually pego ye children right mo no chere le bo wa wek wan wa pun lu tien wa keta yang wan wa ki pun wa kere kilo tien wa go pun kilo tien gi children right en yo ner kan kita tikede ki kwani latini mam yer ini pun ni gwa ki kwanyo ki chi pien en tiki right ne te ke goyo te ke da mi ki kwanyo ki bori ti yon ka do cher boro ki biter gi kwena maga gwa gi pen children right and the unu winyu karma choli bible la tira chiel obion ki right ni mano lonyo pa wone ni wone do pok lonyo igi ngara chila chiel mi gwa lonyo mamege wa ka yire mi lonyo we ki mi ngar mu cher ki lonyo nani utime ni ngo ki jomu donge guber nini ngar mu cher ki lonyo nani udugu dong buri kiru pego jamu jamma onyo ko pego wa ye dong lonyo cha ket ki kuno ki right neni era yo bitime ya chuli ka ye ni children right obetie kanena right ti bilo ya chuli ko lu ti wa gini ben ki pe ko wa ni ben wa pe ko pe wa tiga lokuma lok me right ni an pa chwa ko an ma chalo mego pe yo mo iya o giki kama giti ye kun ento ko cheri ya chuli do o we kare ka o giti lok ye chi kiro la tena no waji chi wu tiki duan dani wen tiki duan yin ke tiki topi dani no loko ki duani tiki winyo elu dir en magiti pingo gi ye lok me to er palotiro kun pe gi ye konyo tiro matika ye ji school lo tiro matika balle lo tiro matika mar jay lo tiro matika tuer pe bodgi atam ni kong dan gu nen matutu twal lo dir weng lu nyoro lu ponye lu tela ko watiga kan wan ma chelo tar pa luo pe wo bi chwa ko children right ni nana way pa loko ento loko mo lo weka ma chelo an chelo me gu yar gam ci ana poy ba
Poy dana.
Angene kado no tiwa tenya ka gena wa me ma come le da pur bien lo ba no gena no u karta umukora to yar paro tena po pun to yar ke no pun responsibility bana pian kado ko lo ni to yaro ti bo la kenya no wa yerlo ten tiga ten pian no we will don't responsibility pere ikar ni non kala ten ma berong bere nga gene pian wa ni to yar na pe dia no nga ko no ke mer be no ti ga wen ke kelo ne ne kele yo mabe pe kel marchi buat kor lo tieno winyo kama gimerne uti me mamro ruare ke tama megi but foi mater mego wa mer una ni wa kele uno la men wa Christine wa foi ko ngana polkare in ke bieno chimer in tuero mabe manda ke do ko matene
Afoy total afoy Jimmy afoy for that compliment afoy amor wono weng amor lumigina Aryo Matino ni bongus and bongu amor wo weng amor Lady Grace amor mego we ni gem ko lobo kiloni ngam del dia tindong dia Kenya kamo chia ga won mi ngom chia titan yar wang mi ngom jolli kun
ne tu ma pe rama wat wang mi ngom yin kuna tuli kama gion
yin la chi wai ni kai nyoro lum ra chiki wochi ya ta betie chi yara ngom ma dak pia ki wochi ni wai ke we man na ki ni kenyu ra ki wata ngom ke ma ku dare miro Anyway, Alek dong lega pala tuwe anda lega indong plan ini peti ati anda bilega tuwer ma ruba kerti kumini tuwer muci Yesu kumini en tuwer ni be uchang
Amen.
kumini o kapo wara lok me nyodo palote ane lok mo ma chwer twin down twal kadi be an ma yang wa te ane wa don group mo ne kenyo kwa lo te ane mo cha o from class Acel wa kwa ane mo ne kenyo wa kilo te ane wo ne wa in class Acel the following year wa ti class Aryo class Adek jimi tika water be class Ngwen jimi tika water be class Beach ada ane mo kene ko dugu one day okay ni food wati kenyo food wa dong to wela nyira do dako anyira made ne akum gino ginan chalo anyira madong gida da pian ti cha pja dan ko madan ni class Acel pe no ma agirom luru ka gan kwan chaki gangu ka chaki gangu dan ki ma abicel ka gan kwan bu ki gangu dan mo no ti ki ma abu ngwen ko kino me o class abi no de ti ma Apar abi o ti anyira mo ko dugu wadan ni class abicel lo ti anyira mo kene ko dugu wadon class Abiro wel wado dong mana en dan me kin gang ma ko no go fo we wan jo ke mo dong dokete achi mo te tok wani joni dongo o ni wan do dong ni igni very soon cha mo ken gi o ma dak wan wa cha winyu lok ni ka dak dan ti wa en me is matter of time en be buchara matter of time en be buchara. But no better no senior woman teacher mayra be no wati o kere dak mo mano kere kere be no ngi gina tika timone tino ber ka lokelo ti anyira from the age of N5 kuma and we are watching lok en be pay ram nyang ka che pay nge ati ne mir nga tu kene da funi moni mala funi ni pe chiar mabo ento chiar wiye ki wacho tin wa mi na lo ti anyira went from P5 to P7 o chiro ta yat kuja o chiar be mo beru kono pian ka intermi pe yenyo pe ngi ngoma kiti lok me pe be niang enta nyar mo ka tie mano go niang be lok so ka mo adoni luti anyara la fon 8 master wa la fon mala cho o ker lok o pen o no ni lok eni dong tek to luti anyara petika making me o ka di P6 wele tika da P7 no da wube ka do dongi ti akwan pen me sitting for P7 luti anya no mga Aryo nya de ka go por pen dong be pe na no ke ma ba pion ngo ma ti ka ti me sen master ni ni yo kwanyo like twerne o ka pen ki di ko chan bion ka na bo luti anya from class Beach para class B men ne ni anya eni go kwan ai te ko no ngati mo iken mo choy war ga en luti ana wo mani ken jo mani no to senior ku choy war ga mi kilo mi ne mati primary ni o kel kila ti nyak mati ka kwan primary ed master ni cher wo gangu no ni o do anya wo la mo cher wo gangu but wuro ka waje ki wuro ni wuri choy war ga kila ti ni eni kila ti nyak ni eni nya pa ngade mier wuro chi en wuro ni wana wo ni yo chi wure adon ko chi lok mi akite anyim bot jone chanigi and then ka lutien mabel mete ki chaka wa nickname wu po lutien wa no ki lungi ki nying madon be param den wa ni kum kan maka ki lungi ki di ko adida ituki ko aroter war ga pien in be nickname mi be pien so la cho no konyo o konya da so ku beti ame winyu be do kan me winyu lok en ma ki tika lok ano ni ki ti lok wilu nyode ni lu nyoro miago bet ki lu tiano ge lu nyoro miago fon lu tiano ge lu nyoro miago go wajin no nyon dian wan wen ma article lu tiano Aryo ento paro me la poi ko ngi ento genati wachini jimi ma wan lu nyoro wa ngi ma lu tiano titimne no jima lu tiano tika timne ma in la nyoro pe ngi 80% pe be ngi be pe ki wochi kadi miero ngi ni joni gi tiki mung eno tiamo matene we akong chimpa ngara cher nyo ruin ine pe ni chimu ruin no ti uni ngagi kwe pe ki bi wocha ngagi mati we chi pen jone en ka gok jone ni ku kwa chim kulu kadi we go la tien pa bu nyuro pien no ngiti o gara group gi mani kenya la nyoro mer konyo party kwana ento lo ayeju eni mukarne eni ana noni joma gi kero chiek mamia go gwaklu tian matino chalo joma makwachi police task mon ki kero gi weka ki noni perpetrator money in the area o yaj kila tian la cho achel mo yaj kila tian kwan pe yaj pole ka chele ka no yaj to kilo tian kwan maduata chino be ki ngeyo pinga pe ki chiaro ki kwanya la cho ne on ye ki loko kede chala cho ma chinchan a serving police officer Mwaka ne Pyera bi chel ko o kilo chan o vuro kila tian nya me Mwaka para moya ta de serving police officer ko lo timo gine on kan ki tuki riemo hate of police officer ma la dir ma loy police ko pinga wer gana ko ma timme ti da nga ki mati agwa ko lutino na kama angi awai ni wen lo I will nyore wer pa wer joma ki timo bal pe ki tim wangi ene make wati ni ki lo ki waji ni la nyore gu winyo gini ngatu timo bal kom la tiam chigu wai gul giramo gilla ko Mwaka pala tiam na ni latini endang te Mwaka par bor chi bedung loke gir kenyo pian jone ni wengi tika cham ke ye en la dit enu mala lonyo ni matiki chene mo bunyuma latina titi en berbo mi chene bot jo moni chane magin mami agu beta gwa ko chike pian malatini doni gang kwani area eni lu reme betie jom ken ma en doni ke mano ti P1 P class Acel mugono ti apa ko le area kenyo jone ni wengi wai wan o doni wani ngari eto jone eni futi gang kwan en Mwaka no ja par bor ni manyuti joma tiki en ame korona en wun jomoti iwang chik moti ye ki lako chik kitabunu mero kedeni ene wunti lako lok ni mego pefonya nyara gi mabe lu nyoro pefonya lotian gi mabe eni pe gani go pakano ni ki wa kuma pinga ki tala dani gang kwan pinga pe ki wa la nyoro be gang ki latine wa lung la nyoro do fon latine ki gang ki tali gang kwan pinga peke chwani wun mi olak chika ame korona kubeti chiarbot te kwaro pa chuli kak fut guberi gu lingo peko ni eni po pepe gi po buki kokolo peko ma chien mo abiri kere no futu ko ni o beri kan onero lutino beri kan onero culture beri kan untimo genonyo e Mwaka Pyera de mando mo karo kama lengba pe kamp ba ent manda pera keno bion kiti le wi corona kili la nyudo eni pe balla la nyudo eni pe balla corona wonte kwar pa chuli won lu dir pa chuli u chung mata ka mier kita la meg mani na wajo ni chingu mo ka kumulia o cher atian u nonga ta mi o TP u pa pian won po fonyo lu tino u ni go belu fonye po fonyo lu tino u ni go be dakta o fonyo lutino ni go chumpe gian kekengi watien ya chuli fucham kene kineno dane in latina bubi in latina nyaka fudo tiki tamone ena loke tuero palotian tika bini ye enu lutia nyira ke weko gi ka school fees rom latina chele kan wa o chu latina bubi wek latina nyaka mi oga tan ke na ku betini ino lutia nyira ma olo gul te yele nugu chuma mano dikal gite gitia konyo walo tian po megi gi manu tian pa wori gi loye la tian wubi matike dar ma kon dar ni betika korpi jogangi ena so ame korona chiarbo te kwar pa chuli mun me o chuno matero ya bungu matek ki git enyo lok luti ki nyum lutian ma futian lok ki nyum lutian matian ko full stop en ke na wa me pa bi lok ma duong ento botu wulu tian nyira we ka wuchi wu ka pe nge la ti nya mo ke ma ti wa ka ki wa ka wuchi moto mo ma yang me wa i group wa mo da ke moto ni wa ni burukla cho te lo ni yaju petit two ways about it peta me abi vurutin ti pa bi ya ya kade ya ti do tum ko ni do bi kenyo won kon kan mere jimi donc ki ye ci school ento na de ti dano cham mi ke non ka moy wek la tian mi ke chier school chier chat wilo tian kai rin du gam la tian kai rin dak ke gam ko tim ngong kini ni wen ento wa wuchi bro ene yajo imi ka to kuman patieni o abi dong kan ini kama be unyunga ini ko ro mo Pyera kai kare wi ni yajo bro ene yajo utum ibi kwana meti tia ko ponni mala tia na gubi mo po bro pidi pian bro ene yajo anda gero be kan ko mo afo to
I watch you. Come on, Christian can get what temperature lock out bene art. Biano meto biano machalo God may why yom there any my question. Before I'm attack la meno Christian but don't look at my Paul Chow bedo chiaro but in my care comments on my opinion Kenya wa bino kara wa kwana comments on megero Tina Wabiro ke director of SIDO Uganda David Okidi man put my take in wakani chawane ki ngara chief director me vulnerable person support center Uganda Obuko Moses and beno beru ke wakani ma wa tama mege now joma SIDO gitie ke joma no gengo yubu Anyira manong gimiaro kon me nyono charani no temo teaching mo manong community magengo yubu tieo pero matiere ko be gimiaro yo me shipping charane ke London matiere Uganda gente ga penyo kon me shipping ane ma mero pound maramo mia de wakcharan ene wen o wa we kidgum wek no mi kon me ponyo ti charane ke coach pien gimiaro yubu kono joma pol reusable parts kigam kane well kon tinanyero megwa go in a way may nano yo me konyo lutinanyera matie ke pero mago be tiga biano matera tera ene ke vulnerable support center Uganda kono gen gitie ke point meturo dilo turo boxing kono gweo tai kono nga ne wen yen my ticket twin nen alto mi kon my etwer borge pian no and glove kono nga ne wak pogo dong wigi ke luer gene ngel ka dong gi dong ko la tera nga ne koro wanga wek wa konyo tena wek ko ponye yo mabe gima meta en yo me support gene yo ma moy kan mai twero bina tar palo chi niango matie mamete pe jo company Aryo man ene weng non profit organization maka ene mio gima boge ga ene chiko en lutini ene mano wanena mer kongi mapatiar mabol men waro bena kena polkare bien borwa kanchi imine wa kwan kan mukan go chwe lewa chuli in lewa chuli be lo mega bine kwan no matie ka ene malo
Jim lewa chul par be lo mega dane
alka lo ne chala put
watie
to ninyan piana
watie mega jangkwan elo watie no ngilo lewa chul doma chepe balo makon lo nan
yeah
thank you
watie manena in mo kamete wa ke nene kar ko ma zame bana puro bino kana kwana puro ti life watie ranin
afo etwal man comment ma akibato nek pa yeke watching live from Ireland, Dublin. Before men one neck.
mod bodjuma island nano
And neck wajan is 6 p.m. in Dublin, Ireland. Man wakara George wajan hello. Umiaro kipun lutino chake kigang tutwale migi lutino gubet chok kilutino ge kipun lokom nyual kimiri. Before men ma wakara. Yeah. Monthly CK Slicker. Yeah, that will carry abbreviation. Greetings to you all. Ludirwa. Wafo Latenwa. Man Ephraim Toraj. Wajan is sorry late joining in. It's okay, Toraj. Again, I think I love Wabene. And Bennett put down Wajane. We can't blame business owners. What we need is rules and regulations. Fines to people crossing these rules after second time jail time.
Yeah, true.
Before it will Ephraim. And Ephraim solutions which can be effective is name and shame, wrongdoing people. make parents responsible for the children till age 19. Yeah, Labero Joel wasn't exactly. Manoria Masanto, wasn't Ana poor tamma migu duchu. Ento tamu kana tiyo mukana pe tiyo mabe. Me Acel, rutena Anyira pe winyo lok pa lunyuru. Be kadong uchao ngeo kome dok pe miero bedo chok inyere. Me Aryo, rutena Anyira miri me chene karane tie la mal. Ka in la tich, la chat, la lonyo, mino jo ma balo rutena wa. Kom lok me goriama. For
Now, Jomo kana magiti nana wallahi banana dana machalo lo omo dua tiga nana bitres la met and ba tiga nana wa oriem ben Lady Zulu and Lady Zulu ba tiga nana wa live wa for and me
Grace. Lady Grace.
Acel man na o manyana.
yeah, Riam Ben watching greetings, watching live from Netherlands.
Netherlands wa chwala what you Netherlands and chwala duano o bo you Netherlands.
Ati neno ai David tika kerno chien ko miero lokya.
David, yeah, no, what in now, my comments were no comments, but don't we don't matia don't go better now tomorrow. But yeah, David, no, log my team and put it down, member merne, where one else can make your team. Chavado Tiarga.
You're muted.
Yeah, I'm muting on David. Okay.
Pian ko biri.
Network
Network right.
David, network pete mambe.
No, da tika chikwa chika ni dong. Kung kata da kita kaiba. Ana poe pate.
Be one of you marry coupe menano.
Again, moti wano kupe ti wani ang poe pate.
Thank you.
Okay, poe kila poe dorm.
Be.
Mod jomo kana me.
Okay.
Mano Obero Omenwa David Okiri and Director Mesido Uganda and Obero Kero Tinian Mario man Mabero Kiwan Kayan Yup my kid Manano my teenage pregnancy Tunkumal Uganda and Tiatiki directly Kilotini Matiki Para. So Dodong one again ma Maneno kid my dollar dog Matin. Ma put power tiara gione, ngara take a message ma around me about work. Me wa giro Matin. Let me know Christine.
Ano lo mo matitira di da pema duong angini chawa do chiam. En lo pa yo jim paluti ano eni. Abe kana video mo mago be ka karo. Luti ano kitika bologi pi. Nano. Luti ano mano e put pinwala mo kaya beti ko kipan wen no ki poluti pi. La chincha kong ba wan ki kai ni ma watim program man about 4 weeks ago also la tem mon din kwani ki ron ki tun red kit gum ku jay padibe.
Yeah.
Di am krana ke oni ti ma bikelo kisran ya nyim bikelo tibu machol to toale ya chuli ka chuli pego ya bo wange mata to toale te kwa pa chulu chungo mata pilutin ma dong ti ma kum gi yot ke gwak ki wa pego be ka ti ji ma rojo eni la tien nya ka bol la ti no ki pi mo le ti ara ke en wiye no be ni wi la ti ne ni wor mo wor no ko ni mo kisran ne kem per ma dir and then la tien ma ke donc bole to ron yo pe ke meti yo ko meti ta ti bone ti mo ya nyim dangi biti me ke ni Ate kwa Acholi mi ang te lo kanya ti ati ko ki gip lo ke lengu lo ki dama. Kono mi latien kono won latien kono ngani. Gena ko kel chi ko ma ta chi ma ni kan na tu nyal ki latien ma tu ti do tum. Pedak la mo chi upside down. Ti andu lo ka be ma dum pe. Entu lo ko ti ka chwa tin dama wang ami lo ka lo ti an me gi lo ti mo nyal ngata cha na ni ku ti ka waji pi jimi. Kon barni agi kono maternity care agi any dina na mentally latina no be penian ti diwo latina penian ti diwo ma chunye pe yom chako ko latina ka na so an ma pole ya pe ba ta pray ni am down gibi bora ka chere ti te la ka ni ma ta foi
be matek la meno ene kelo ujinia lo mo ma per tek manda pien ene rituale nga kadong atian yang mau yaj ma in ma luor ben wona nyo luor mena be wai ne kuri ngo ma tie nyo no pe ke ye mo pe no ke jolo ke ben ke ngo ma no time well ke lo get time ko en one ma chal community wa me wari bi chen we chel men ne wo ki ga ma ket man po time pien na tien dana ma ko kadong ke bole pi ke bole choron ke wini malet ngene pet gara tek do timel kinen yu me konyo ka kwen ka waram konyi we pena ten ene pe ki bal mo ken kinen yu me we godang digi maja pe nge en mo me na ke nwala gi gen ka gwa mo pe digi ma gen da bi konyo wan ben te gwa no teme bene pe wo kwer dong como comité ko ene pe ki bo pe ke bolo teno for material men were Christian. Now, Joyce.
Yeah, malume ke lok ma sister Christian wayo lo kombolo lo teno. Amiyo mer ma chala information ni Ikitgum district tie charity megilwani Irene Gleason charity. Mati ada John Kifasi Ikitgum mage gamo lutino magnogi lutino mamien gidong they are very sick kono pegram gwa lutino you mentally ngiti peti mabe ka jumati utun kumalo ku utun Kitgum ko teme chwa lutino kuno instead of mengo me cher me bol lutino wa pien gen giti ga jolo lutini mamien ge ogene ge weoge and giti gi school ma mege ben ma giti gi gwa lutino ka uno googling mabe obe obchiero no Irene Gleason charity mati Kitgum mono mera information mana atika miene
Irene Gleason Foundation.
Yeah. Ene information mabe madam agene won matu wa kenyo nene kubu la kana o kam ket penen la tien ma gang bodo ka neno di American te whiteboard me na wa lock ticket en kama gram gwa la tien tie agene gulo watoto church mane gitimo ket gana chelene gulo en lutini ene ko lo ka gwag tie ka enen ker mi pem peram gwag ka gwag tie no go chimitar pa lo ka no yo me ko wek dan bien go gam la ten ke bori wek no pedar no yo mai kan meram gen ma wek ko pa la ten no tie ya nim watie kan menen wa ko boy wek o kanya be o fo mate now again pineno matien one wayne on o dong mabe nyo nen mabe bur mabe cho mabe onyori mabe obi wayne oloto Merry Christmas and Happy New Year cardo rama ko en me karama bino ko en no ba go madong kenya manda na chera macham karama wa kor karama no bero oloto bero mabe lockdown che ma too easy won mati wa kenya wa fo matek malo wan tar palo on tie kan tia dek program mo kan tie bi no ma wa bi bero kere en ne oloto wa met program Mede tar palo kan but pe ken yo ma megwa tia dek ke panalis ma gi minita ma bejo po chicken wa bi ma won da tia dek ke yo manien ma
Jaja kamara
bye wona
bye
Kamere baro bella jo, kamere teo kalla wo, kamere baro bella jo, kamere teo kalla wo, kamere baro bella jo, kamere baro bella jo, kamere teo